Hello and welcome to Season 1, Episode 5 of
Let's open it up and see what we get. Crack the pack and hope for the best.
And you know how it goes. 5th episode, 5th set. Shimmering Skies. We got Fix-It Felix Jr. and Chaka. Break Free. Clarabelle. Retrosphere. Rudy. Pacha. Archimedes. Minnie Mouse. And Pride Lands as our first rare. Magica Dispel as our second rare. And a foil rare, the Great Illuminary. And that's a good end for a pack. Since 5 cards of the pack are duplicates, we can only add 7 to our collection, bringing that to 54 cards in total. Not the best quote, considering we got only 25% of the collection done, and nearly half of the pack were duplicates. So let's put them in the right place.
With a magical link, let the secrets unfold.
And as always, if you enjoyed today's episode, consider subscribing and like the video. Thanks, and see you in the next one.